After 3 hours, this is what the bread or the bread dough looks like after it's proved. This was, as I mentioned earlier, in a pressure cooker under the yogurt setting, which is the same temperature to use for proving. So you can see now it's almost crawling out of the top of the pan. Now I'm going to use a selection of different molds. These just generally bread molds. This is a silicone mold which I'm going to put in a metal mold because the silicone itself is a bit flimsy, so it wouldn't hold the shape. Same as that. She's not going to focus there. You've got some of these. These are silicone molds, but they're quite thick, so they'll hold themselves. And I've got some metal ones there. I'm also going to do a baguette shape as well. I've emptied the bread dough now onto a floured work surface. This is when I'm going to knock back, which means getting rid of all the large bubbles, turn it back into basically what it was before I started proving. What happens then, the large bubbles become smaller bubbles and you get a better texture throughout the bread. So as I mentioned before, you'd let this, if it was a focaccia or a ciabatta, you'd let it prove in the dish that's going to be baked in. So I'll see if I can do this with one hand, just to give you, so it's basically, it's almost like a secondary knead, if you like. So that's fine. So once you've kneaded it for a couple of minutes, what you'll do then is put it into the final cooking container. So I'll just pause the video once I do that.